So we're a little pumped today. The bean's helping me. Thanks, Bella. We picked up the Schrade. This is an unboxing. This is a SCHF54. I think it'll be pretty cool. Can't get it on Amazon, which sucks. I had to get this off of KnifeWorks or something, but I'll have a descriptor in it. But nice little T-handle. You could thresh some people with this bad boy. So for my hand, it's legal, but I don't know like the laws on T-handles versus like actual knives. But yeah, this little sucker's pretty cool. Beanie, check it out. See if it fits your hands. Woo, man, she'd be smoking somebody with that. The zombie apocalypse, I mean, we'll be sticking them in the face. Woo. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a nice little blade, full tang. Put in your hand, get some knuckles on or something, you know. But yeah, this is the little unboxing, and hope your day's going good, guys. SCHF54, Schrade. I think I'm saying that right. Yeah, Schrade. Nice little add-on to the EDC stuff. Keep it in your backpack while you're out and about, or on your belt. Ooh, got a nice little blood groove. That sucker's a little sharp. Hee hee. Thanks, guys. Have a good